Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Emma.
And this is our Ford E350 named Autumn. So this is the outside of our motorhome. It's still factory. We haven't done that many upgrades to the outside. Up on top, we've mounted two 100-watt solar panels, which help charge the house battery. We've got our water stored underneath, so our gray and black water are underneath the van, and the propane is on the other side underneath as well. We also installed a couple racks so that we can store our surfboards. And yeah, that's about it.
Finally, one day we decided, we were in Toronto still living, and we decided to move back out to Nova Scotia and look for a van there that we could renovate.
It was a Chevy G series van with a fiberglass topper on it, and that was the one that
we started with.
Yeah, we ripped everything out and rebuilt.
Yeah, so we started in that, and we traveled in that for 6 months, right?
Nice.
Yeah, we traveled in that for 6 months, and then when we got back up to Canada, up in BC here, we decided to sell that and get this one. Welcome to the inside of our camper. So this is our kitchen. We redid our countertop because we wanted something a bit newer and longer. There originally used to be our stove and oven up here that we removed. We now keep our fruits and veggies up here. We didn't put in the sink. The sink was already here, but we did replace and put in a newer faucet. And then we've got our dry goods storage up in the top here. We've got our pots and pans up in this one. And then we put in a new propane oven and stove combo. We've just got some storage of towels and reusable bags in here. We've got all of our cooking utensils in our little drawer. And then we keep all of our dishes and silverware and everything in this one. And then we've got our big spice drawer down here with like tons of spices and stuff through there and teas. We have the original 3-way fridge that was in here when we got it. We usually run that one off propane and it works really well. We have a little freezer in there as well. And then we just have a little bit more storage up on the top. We painted, we redid our flooring, we extended our kitchen, and then just kind of shortened this area up a bit so that we had more kind of like, we really like to cook. So that was really important to have a nice kitchen. This is our dining room / lounge. We have got a kennel here where Sandy sleeps at night. We've got our Berkey water filter. And then back here behind the pillows, we've got a little cutout for our cat so that he can go down, and under here is his litter box is all contained. We have got more storage behind the benches. We keep yoga mats, laundry stuff, everything like that. Underneath here we have another huge storage area that we keep like wetsuits, tools, extra stuff for the car. And then on this side underneath here is where our fresh water is. We've also got a hot water heater under this bench as well. Yeah, this is our dining table that we can take up, so that way we have lots of space to lounge and relax here. And over here on the other side, we have got all of our electronics stored. We use the Jackery to power our laptops and everything, which we can charge through our solar panels. And then we've just got more kind of like storage of books, electronics, random stuff, all stored up here. And yeah, we've also got our aircon unit, which we can use in the summertime when it's really hot.
What's it like to have a partner in van life?
I'd say it's great. Yeah, it's nice to have someone
I'll
else
have
there.
to second that now. It's really good.
It's It's just really great, I think, like when you're in new places and sometimes you're not sure about the place, you can kind of, figure things out together, or if something goes wrong, have someone else to troubleshoot with, or someone else with different ideas. Yeah.
So across from the kitchen we have our wardrobe, and on the side we have my guitar mounted, little macrame plant hanger that Emma made, and our thermostat that controls our furnace, which is down here, and that's just automatic. You turn it on and it sort of keeps temperature in the van. And yeah, so here's the wardrobe. We have Emma's side, my side, sort of our hanging stuff in the middle. And we just got these from IKEA, these organizers. Same thing, we have our sort of socks and undies drawers on each side, and our random stuff drawers underneath those. Moving along here, we've got our water pump switch. So this just kills the electricity to the water pump when we're driving or when we're trying to conserve power or something. So we just flick that on when we park up, and that gives us water to our wet bath. You can see here we've got our toilet, the sink and shower opposite to it, the shower caddy on this back wall, and our medicine cabinet on the front wall. We hang all our towels in here when we're not using it as a shower, and to do that we just pull this curtain across and we can use the whole area as your shower, basically. So this is our bed area. We built this little step here to get up into bed. It also kind of doubles as some storage, so keep our outdoor chairs in here, fire starter stuff, also Tonto's feeder. Yeah, and then we've got just a regular bed up here. It's a twin bed, windows on either sides. It's a really long space, so we're using the end of the bed as a bit of storage. So we've got our 2 Tupperwares with other tools and car stuff, and then this basket full of hats and mitts and Sandy's things. And we also did the curtains ourselves up here at the top. And yeah, we're really happy with it. Super comfortable.
When we bought our first camper, we were looking, we were at something a bit older, something a bit cheaper for our price range. And our camper was the only one on Kijiji in all of Nova Scotia.
Wow.
Yeah.
It definitely felt like fake.
Yeah, so we're like, okay, I guess that's the one.